Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First, a warm welcome to all our attendees and our distinguished panelists, especially His Excellency Justice Shamlan Al-Sawalhi, Professor Najib Shaheen, and Dr. Jalal Al-Ahdab, who in fact, we are very honored to have him traveling from Paris to join us today. Over the years, the Dubai Arbitration Week has grown to become one of the largest and in fact most well-attended arbitration events in the world. This year's Dubai Arbitration Week will be the largest one yet, with over 140 events planned. The UAE's advantageous position at the crossroad of Asia, Europe, and Africa makes it a natural hub for international trade and for dispute resolution. The UAE's neutrality and level-headed approach to sanctioned parties in the world where the sanctions regime are rapidly growing in scope and complexity makes it an attractive seat for arbitration parties from across the world. The UAE courts, both mainland courts and the common law courts of the DIFC and ADGM, promote enforceability of awards and take a very stringent approach towards challenges, thus creating secure and predictable environment to international arbitration. Our firm is fortunate to have been actively involved in this dynamic legal landscape, not only as legal counsel in disputes, but also as legal experts contributing to the evolution of legislation and regulation in the UAE. The UAE has created the concept of financial free zones. We are proud to have been the architects of the legal framework establishing the DIFC, the first financial free zone in the UAE. The idea at the time was to create specialized English-speaking common law court to serve as a forum for financial center. Since then, the jurisdiction of the DIFC court expanded significantly, and an arbitration center was eventually added to the mix, which was the DIFC Arbitration Center, and it was run through a joint venture with the LCIA. Today's panel will delve into Decree 34 and the legacy of the DIFC Arbitration Center, the ultimate consolidation of Dubai's Arbitration Center under the umbrella of the DIAC, in fact, was a part of a complete strategic redesign of the arbitration scene in Dubai, one that crowned the DIFC as the default seat for arbitration in Dubai and the DIFC court as the default supervisory court. While some jurisdictions are still ironing out their position towards DIFC-LCIA clauses, we believe that the legacy of Decree 34 is ultimately positive. The consolidation of the arbitration centers has impelled DIAC's modernization with its new and much improved arbitration rules adopted in early 2022. In October 2023, DIAC has published its annual report, which demonstrates that its caseload is growing from year to year. I will leave you now with this distinguished panelists. I'm sure that you will benefit from their expertise. I would have liked, in fact, to continue with it, but unfortunately I'm speaking at another event immediately after this. Thank you.